Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Val if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my updated moisturizing and sealing routine for my relaxed hair. So I've changed a couple things around, so I figured I would show you guys. Plus I've received quite a bit of requests, so here we are. This is what my hair looks like. It's pretty thick and it's just ready to be moisturized. So I always part my hair down the middle just to section it off. Working in smaller sections is key. So I do 3 on each side, and that way the product just penetrates better. I find that every area of my hair is covered, nothing is neglected. So I'm using the As I Am So Much Moisture hair lotion. You guys know I absolutely love this product. It has a thin consistency, but it's very moisturizing for my relaxed hair, I find. And it just doesn't weigh my hair down. It's silicone free as well. So I take 2 pumps of this per section, and then I work it through, massage it in. I start from my ends up. I comb it through with my fingers. I always use my fingers first before any comb really touches my hair. That way I'm not exposing my hair to unnecessary breakage. And then yeah, I just work it through just to ensure that every area is covered and the product can easily penetrate. Next, I take my jojoba oil. You guys know I love this, and I take a couple drops per section, and then I just seal my hair. So this really locks in the moisture. It makes my hair extremely soft. And again, I work it through my hair just using my fingers as a comb, just gently massaging it through, and then I do a 2-strand twist. So it really helps to just section off my hair so I know what I've completed versus what I have left to do. So that's basically it. I just repeat these exact same steps all over until every section is complete. Okay, so for those who aren't aware or familiar with the term moisturizing and sealing, because I get these questions on like a weekly basis, but it's basically a 2-step process. So step 1, you're moisturizing with a water-based moisturizer. By water-based, I mean a product that has water as the first ingredient and is geared towards moisturizing the hair. And then step 2 is basically sealing in that moisture with a thin layer of oil. So a carrier oil would be best, and that consists of either olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, whatever works best for you and your hair. So the whole purpose of this 2-step process is to basically just moisturize your hair and then lock it in with an oil. Without that oil, the moisture could quickly evaporate from the hair, and we don't want that. So the whole point of the oil is to just lock in that moisture for a longer period of time. So you're also probably wondering, why does relaxed hair need to be moisturized and sealed? And it's a good question, because I never used to moisturize and seal my relaxed hair, and it showed. My hair was damaged and it remained at shoulder length for years. But this is such a key step, and it's really important to not skip it, because if you think about it, relaxed hair is dry, and we use chemicals to break down the bonds in order for us to have this straight appearance. And we all know that relaxers strip away the natural oils in the hair. So it's not only recommended, but it's extremely essential to moisturize and seal your hair. That way you're putting back that lost moisture, hydration back into your strands in order to maintain and have healthier hair. So for me, ever since I started moisturizing and sealing effectively, and by effectively I mean like actually doing it in sections, focusing on my ends, working the product through my hair with my fingers, that really helped. That's a huge tip in case you haven't been doing that. Work the product through with your fingers first. But yeah, I noticed a difference in the health of my hair. My hair has been softer, smoother, shinier, hydrated. You know, my ends are not thin and split like before. And I would also say that the elasticity in my strands have improved. I'm noticing minimal breakage as well. So, and we all know that less breakage equals more length retention. And if you need, length retention tips, be sure to check out my videos on that. I'll link them in the description box below. So yeah, I'll either moisturize and seal every day or every other day, depends on how my hair feels. I use protein in my regimen, so moisturizing and sealing is a little bit more frequent in my regimen, but it may be a little bit different for you. I also have very thick, coarse hair, so that kind of requires a little bit more moisture as well. And I always get the question, will moisturizing and sealing weigh my hair down? I don't like that feeling of weighed down hair. What can I do, etc. And I get it. And that's partly why I use these products, because my hair doesn't feel weighed down when I use them. And that's what I love so much about them. But for me, I protective style mainly throughout the week. So you'll catch me either in a low bun or a high bun. On weekends, I tend to rock a ponytail or braid out. It just depends on my mood. My hair is rarely ever down. If anything, maybe a special occasion or I have something planned. But my hair doesn't really have a chance to be weighed down either, because I wash twice a week. So by me washing twice a week now, my hair has a chance to quote unquote reset, so I don't have that weighed down feeling whatsoever. But if that's something of concern to you, you really want to consider your hair density when choosing products. So if you have fine hair, you really got to be careful as to not choose something that's, you know, heavy with oils, etc. So this is something to keep in mind, but you got to do what works for you, your hair, your lifestyle. So just to reiterate from my last video on retaining length, it's so important to just keep the moisture levels in your hair. Like, don't wait until your hair is completely dry, parched, crisp to moisturize it. You know, you want to keep the moisture levels up in your hair, keep that moisture momentum going, because when you do that, your hair is hydrated, your hair has elasticity, so it's less likely to break off and snap, and you know, you'll retain longer lengths as a result. So yeah, I just want to remind you guys of that tip in case you forgot. So yeah, I'm basically done at this point, and I'm just applying a little bit more moisturizer to my crown. I find that this area is very dry as of late, so I always focus on that area as well as my nape. So can't forget the weaker areas, always focus on them so that they get the love that they need. So my hair is moisturized, it is juicy, it is sealed, it is good to go. I'm just loving the fullness and the shine and the hydration in my hair right now. It feels extremely soft. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like, guys. So this is what my hair looks like with the twist unraveled. You guys, my hair feels extremely soft. It's moisturized. It has a nice slight wave to it. It has a lot of body and fullness as well, which is why I love these products. I honestly wish you guys can feel how soft my hair feels. Like, this is what it looks like from the back. I can't keep my hands out of my hair. It's crazy, but this is why I love, love, love and adore this product. So yeah, that's my routine, guys. Be sure to let me know if you've tried the So Much Moisture hair lotion in your routine. How did you like it? Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't. And thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.